Welcome back to HSE Tutorials. In last videos, we learned about legal reasons for managing health and safety and international framework of safety standards. In this video, we are diving into a crucial topic for workplace safety, the obligations that employers have under Article 16 of C155 and how these are expanded in R164. Whether you're an employer, employee, or just curious about workplace safety standards, this is the video for you. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is Article 16 of C155? Well, it's part of an international convention aimed at improving occupational health and safety. But what does it actually say? Article 16 identifies some basic responsibilities that all employers need to follow. Let's break it down. 1. Employers must ensure that the workplaces, machinery, equipment and processes under their control are safe and without risk to health. 2. They must ensure that the chemical, physical and biological substances and agents under their control are without risk to health. 3. Employers must provide adequate protective clothing and protective equipment to prevent risk of accidents or adverse effects on health. Pretty straightforward, right? But these responsibilities are quite broad. That's why we need to look at R164 for more practical guidelines. Expanding with R164, Practical Obligations of Employer. Now, let's look at R164, which helps put those general duties into practice. Article 10 of R164 outlines some specific actions that employers need to take to meet their obligations under C155. 1. Provide workplaces and work equipment, and use work methods, which are safe and pose no risk to health. 2. Provide appropriate instructions and training. 3. Provide necessary supervision. 4. Put in place health and safety arrangements adapted to suit the size and nature of the undertaking. 5. Provide any necessary personal protective clothing and equipment free of charge. 6. Ensure that the hours of work do not adversely affect health and safety of employees. 7. Take measures to eliminate any extreme physical and mental fatigue. 8. Lastly, stay up to date with knowledge in order to comply with the above. These practical steps help turn the general duties of C155 into actionable safety measures. So, why are these obligations so important? Workplace accidents and health hazards can have devastating effects, not just for employees, but for businesses too. Following these safety guidelines protects everyone involved. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more workplace safety tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about C155, R164, or any other safety standards.